They say the heart of the home is the kitchen, and if you're not careful, it quickly becomes a playground of mold. So here's a few tips to help prevent some serious mold buildup. If you're home all day, empty out your small garbage cans daily. This can be a perfect breeding ground for mold. Have a central garbage can that can be sealed to prevent any leakage or moisture from getting in or out. Clear old food out of the refrigerator regularly, and if you're wondering if you'll ever eat the food, throw it out immediately. Be sure you wash your cutting boards weekly and with vinegar, and allow them to dry properly. Cutting boards are a prime location for mold growth and other bacteria. Turn on exhaust fans when cooking or working in the kitchen to prevent humid air. Make sure any wet areas get dried immediately, as mold only needs a couple of days to grow in the right conditions. Check the kitchen sink, faucets, and under-the-counter plumbing for leaks, drips, puddles, and other moisture. And don't use rugs in the kitchen. These are just moisture traps, just asking for mold. And finally, get a moisture meter. It's a surefire way to track down where mold can thrive. And if you're having any serious moisture problems, be sure to contact us. We can help you. For other safety tips, watch our other videos.